A manipulation of a puppet depends on a puppet type. Marionettes, word puppets, dummies, hand and finger puppets require different techniques and skills. What is common for all of them is the fact that any puppet is like a musical instrument for the puppeteer. It's crucial to understand its mechanics and physics, to take the time to get to know it well. Performers should clearly understand what they want to say with the puppet, and have a constant inner monologue to coordinate their own intentions and thoughts with the movement of the puppet. Sometimes we see performances where puppets talk a lot. It may not always be the best approach, because a puppet doesn't require a lot of text. Good puppeteers can convey any mood or thought through a way the puppet interacts with objects, other puppets, or parts of its own body. Despite the minimalistic and the non-verbal nature of this approach, a puppet can be understood without an actor speaking for it. There are several laws of puppet manipulation that should always be followed. For example, while actors look with their eyes, puppets look with their nose. In other words, the nose of a puppet should always point at the direction of the object the puppet interacts with. Don't forget to look at the puppet while manipulating it, to establish and support a connection with it. It's also important to operate a puppet slowly and without any fuss. It can help a performer to express mood using only poses and moves of a puppet. But in the end, a lot of nuances of a manipulation technique depend on what a certain puppet is capable of and how well the puppeteer learned how to use it.